This grilled ribeye recipe couldn't be any easier. I'm gonna walk you start to finish how I like to grill them to a perfect medium rare. So the first thing you wanna do is preheat the grill to like 500 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You want it high and hot. And then you need to prep the ribeye steaks by patting them dry with some paper towel, then season them with barbecue seasoning of your choice or steak rub that you love. We use a lot of already blended barbecue rubs here because it's easy for family dinners. And then you're gonna grill the ribeye by placing the steaks directly on grill grates and then closing the lid. You wanna flip the ribeye steaks, you wanna crisscross them to make grill marks after about 3 to 4 minutes. But I don't wanna get too specific on time per side because you really want to make sure that you're cooking them to your desired level of doneness, and you're only going to know that by using an internal read meat thermometer. So we like to finish our steaks. We keep flipping them till they reach an internal temperature of about 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare finish or 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium finish. And you know, they'll come up a few more degrees when they rest with some tin foil over them. So just let them rest about 10 minutes. All the juices will settle, and then you'll have nice, tender, juicy, delicious grilled ribeye steaks. Print the recipe at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!